Good afternoon, student. So the next topic is two input NMOS, CMOS and BiCMOS NAND gate. So I already sent the pictures with the circuit diagram and stick diagram with color. Okay, you just go through once that, and then you can come to know the circuits and stick diagram. Okay, the two input NAND gates arrangement is shown in different technologies along with the symbolic representation and stick diagrams. Okay, here we are using NAND gate with three different technologies, that is NMOS, CMOS and BiCMOS. Okay, so the first one is NMOS circuit, the second one is CMOS, and third one is BiCMOS. So first I will explain the NMOS. Here in NMOS, so this is the NMOS circuit. Here the depletion, so this is the common depletion, and then here it is in connections is in parallel. Okay, so this is a depletion layer. So this is common for the NMOS design technology. Okay, so depletion layer, that is 4:1, and this is the N type of depletions we are using. Okay, it should be dark line. Okay, N type of depletion we are using, and then so this is a 4:1. So this is the pull up region, we also called as pull up region, and the bottom is the pull down region. So the pull down region we are considering what's the equation we have to do. The NAND we have to use, no, and the NAND expression is A dot B whole bar. Okay, here the dot will come. So if dot comes in NMOS, what is the equation in NMOS? What it will come in NMOS? Dot comes, we have to do it in series, isn't it? Okay, so that's why I am here considering series. A is series with B. Okay, to NMOS you have to draw the circuit, that is A and B, that is 1:2, 1:2, and this is the VDD and this is the ground, and this one is the output is connected here with the gate. Okay, so this is a X, this is a my output. So 4:1 and 1:2 and 1:2. So and already I told, so in the inverter we are considering 4:1 or 8:1 with 1:1, but here they are considering 1:2. Okay, so because so the length and width ratio will be differ in the NMOS circuit. See here in the NMOS circuit. Okay, in the NMOS, so this is the top one is the depletion, that is a ZPU we are considering, that is a pull up region, and this is the bottom, that is a pull down region. So pull down region we may consider in nth number of, we can take it as a transistor. Okay, so that is the in the pull down. Okay, here if you considering, the equation should be like this: V out is far lesser than V threshold, that is equal to 0.2 VDD, then the VDD into N times of ZPD, that is a Z into N times of pull down impedance is divided by N times of pull down impedance plus pull up impedance. It is far less than 0.2 VDD. Okay, so if you simplify this one, VDD get cancelled, so finally you will get this one: N of ZPD is divided by N of ZPD plus ZPU is equal to 0.2. Here I am considering N of ZPU is 1 and divided by N of ZPD is equal to 1 plus 4, that is equal to 1 by 5. So I got 0.2. Okay, so that's why here I am getting 0.2. So this is that 0.2 is this one. Okay, so this is the 0.2 VDD. Okay, so the next is so if you simplify, you will get ZPU is divided by ZPD, that is equal to So okay, actually this is actually ZPU is divided by ZPD. Okay, it is some mistake is there. So 4 divided by 1. Okay, so that's why we have taken 4:1. Okay, so that I was explained here. Which one? This one, no? NMOS technology using NAND. So for the stick diagram, how we will write? See here, in the VDD we have to mention. In the VDD we have to mention here which color we have to mention. Blue color. So this one is a blue and this one is a green, fully green, because it is an N type of diffusion I am using, depletion. So fully green, and this line is polysilicon. A and B is polysilicon. Again the output you may consider polysilicon or you may consider this one blue. Okay, V out, and the dotted is an implant. The implant we mentioned here yellow color, with this line is polysilicon, because if polysilicon cut the diffusion it forms a transistor, isn't it? Okay, so this is the stick diagram for the NMOS. Then come to the CMOS. In CMOS, see here, I already explained this in the other class. So the top is a pull up region and the bottom is the pull down region. Pull up and pull down region. In that PMOS will come in pull up and NMOS will come to pull down. In CMOS, the top is VDD and the bottom is the ground. And so this is I am doing here A dot B whole bar, that's a NAND gate. Okay, so that's why PMOS should be in parallel. Okay, because NAND means dot. If dot comes in PMOS it should be in parallel, and NMOS in series. Okay, so the same circuit we just draw. I already explained how to draw the circuit in CMOS with the NAND gate. And this is the okay, and this is the BiCMOS. BiCMOS is like half of the CMOS, it will be same, and then this 3 transistor will be connected to the NMOS of one and NMOS of the other, and the third transistor is connected to the VDD, and again we connected to BJT. So why we have to use here BJT transistor? To enhance the output we are just connected the BJT transistor. Okay, so this one you know the symbol of the NAND gate, no? So this is the NAND gate symbol. NAND gate symbol, A and B input, and this is the bubble, and 4:1 is the input I am taking. So this is the symbol, and so this is a circuit. This is a stick diagram for the what? CMOS. So I already showed how to draw the stick diagram in this one, A dot B and A plus B. So you can also draw like that only. If you are comfortable with this figure, you can draw these also. And here it is also same, like whatever you draw in the circuit, no, the same you can draw here also. Okay, the next is, for this one you just go through once in I sent the pictures, no, I just go through that picture. So in NMOS NAND gate, length into width ratio must be carefully chosen, so the desired overall ZPU, that is the pull up and pull down impedance, we have to considering. If you pull down is contributed by the input transistor connected with series, and the pull up, actually the pull up is contributed with the, it is not an enhanced mode of transistor, actually is contributed with. So okay, this is an ZPU is a depletion mode, so this is contributed with enhanced mode of transistor. That means it is connected to the ZPD, that is pull down transistor. Okay, so the next is it is obtained the ratio between the ZPU and the sum of all the pull down must be 4:1. Okay, and the NAND gate geometry reveals two significant factors. One is the NMOS NAND gate area is greater than the NMOS inverter, so the inverter is much more greater. Okay, and in the pull down network, as the transistors are added in series to provide the number of inputs, as the number of inputs if you added, the corresponding adjustment has to be made. I already showed in the circuit. So the top up is I showed this figure, no, this one. So this is our pull up and this is a pull down transistor. Okay, so these are connected in series. So this is the constant, that is a depletion mode of transistor, that is the pull up impedance. Okay, and then the pull up transistors is overall maintain the required ratio. Okay, the delay in the NMOS NAND gate is increases in direct proportional to the number of inputs is added. Okay, and if there is a n number of inputs, so length and the resistance of the pull up transistor must be increased by the factors on in order to maintain the correct ratio. Okay, the delay observed in NAND gate is given by, so the delay is tau of NAND is equal to n numbers of tau of inverter. Okay, so this is the delay, where n is the n number of inputs and tau inverter is the delay related to the NMOS inverter. Okay, with these properties, okay, NMOS and NMOS NAND gate is used only when it absolutely necessary and the number of inputs are restricted. So in CMOS there is no need to explanation much here. So no restrictions of ratio are seen. So asymmetric is a problem seen in CMOS. In order to keep the transfer characteristic symmetry at the VDD by 2, it is necessary to perform some adjustment in the transistor geometry. And by CMOS, actually the circuit itself, it is a very complexity, so that's why it's considering a low driving capabilities and useful when the driving a large capacity loads or when there is a large fan out. Okay, so this is up to the 2 inputs NAND gate. Okay, so thank you.